Hi, are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I'm waiting for bus number 10.
Do you usually take this bus in the morning?
Yes, almost every weekday.
What time do you normally come here?
Around 8:30 most days.
That sounds like a comfortable routine.
Yes, I like calm mornings.
The morning feels quiet today.
Yes, it feels nice and peaceful.
Do you enjoy starting your day this way?
Yes, it helps me feel ready.
Quiet time makes thinking easier.
I agree, it clears my mind.
Is this stop more busy later on?
Yes, in the evening it gets crowded.
Mornings feel better then.
Yes, evenings feel rushed.
Do you prefer standing or sitting while waiting?
I usually stand and relax.
Standing helps me wake up.
Yes, it feels refreshing.
Do you check your phone much here?
Not really. I try not to.
I like watching the street instead.
Yes, it feels more real.
What do you notice when you look around?
People walking and cars passing.
Simple scenes can feel nice.
Yes, they feel peaceful.
Is the bus usually on time here?
Most days, yes, but not always.
Waiting a little doesn't bother me.
Me neither. I stay calm.
Do you ever feel tired this early?
Sometimes, but fresh air helps.
Fresh air makes mornings better.
Yes, it wakes me gently.
Do you listen to music while waiting?
Sometimes, soft music helps.
Soft music fits the morning mood.
Yes, loud sounds feel too much.
Do people talk much at this stop?
Not often. Everyone stays quiet.
Quiet places feel comfortable.
Yes, they feel easy.
Looking ahead, the traffic looks light today.
Yes, the road is clear.
That's good for the bus.
Yes, it may arrive on time.
I enjoy mornings like this.
Me too. They feel balanced.
How long is your ride usually?
About 20 minutes most days.
That sounds comfortable.
Yes, it gives me time to relax.
I think the bus is coming now.
Yes, I can see it too.
After you, please.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, please. You can sit here.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. No problem.
The bus feels quiet today.
Yes, it's not very crowded.
Do you usually get a seat like this?
Sometimes, if I come a little early.
Coming early really helps.
Yes, it makes the ride easier.
I like sitting near the window.
Me too. I enjoy the view outside.
Watching the city slowly move feels nice.
Yes, it helps me relax.
How long is your ride today?
About 20 minutes as usual.
That's a good time, not too long.
Yes, I can rest a little.
I try not to rush in the morning.
Same here. Slow mornings feel better.
Do you listen to music on the bus?
Yes, soft music or podcasts.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it keeps my mind calm.
The bus is moving smoothly today.
Yes, The traffic is light.
That makes the ride comfortable.
Absolutely. No sudden stops.
I like calm rides like this.
Me too. They feel stress-free.
Which stop do you get off at?
Near the city library.
Oh, that's a nice area.
Yes, it's quiet and pleasant.
Bus rides give a little time to think.
Yes, I enjoy that quiet time.
It looks like we're getting closer now.
Yes, a few more stops.
It was nice talking with you on the ride.
Yes, I enjoyed it too.
I'll get ready to stand up.
Yes, my stop is coming soon.
Have a good day ahead.
You too. Take care.
It looks like your stop is coming soon.
Yes, just one more stop.
Do you need to press the stop button?
Yes, I'll press it now.
The bus is slowing down.
Yes, we should get ready.
I'll stand up carefully.
Yes, it's better to be careful.
Excuse me, may I pass through?
Of course, go ahead.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. No problem.
The bus is stopping now.
Yes, this is my stop.
It was nice talking with you today.
Yes, I enjoyed the conversation.
Have a great rest of the day.
Thank you. You too.
Take care and stay safe.
I will. Thank you.
This stop feels busy today.
Yes, but it's still manageable.
After you, please.
Thank you. That's kind.
Watch your step. The door is closing.
Yes, I'm stepping down slowly.
Goodbye. See you sometime.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
The ride was smooth today.
Yes, it was comfortable.
Moments like this feel simple and nice.
Yes, simple moments matter.
I'll head out this way.
Okay, take care.
Have a good rest of your day.
You too. Goodbye.
The air feels fresh after getting off the bus.
Yes, walking a little feels good.
Do you usually walk this way every day?
Yes, it's part of my routine.
I like quiet streets like this.
Me too. They feel peaceful.
The road is not busy right now.
Yes, mornings are calmer.
Walking slowly helps me think clearly.
Yes, it helps me focus.
Do you walk alone or with someone?
Usually alone, but I don't mind.
Sometimes walking alone feels relaxing.
Yes, it gives me quiet time.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, not too hot, not too cold.
Perfect weather for walking.
Exactly, it feels comfortable.
I can see people heading to work.
Yes, everyone has somewhere to go.
Mornings feel full of purpose.
Yes, a new day begins.
Do you enjoy your walk in the morning?
Yes, it gives me energy.
Walking helps me feel awake.
Me too. It clears my head.
The sidewalk is clean and quiet.
Yes, it feels safe here.
Shall we continue this way?
Yes, let's walk together.
It's nice sharing a walk like this.
Yes, simple moments feel good.
I think my building is close.
Yes, mine is not far either.
It was nice walking and talking.
Yes, I enjoyed it too.
Have a good start to your day.
Thank you. You too.
See you around.
Yes, see you later.
This is the entrance to my building.
Yes, it looks nice and clean.
I arrive here around this time every day.
Yes, having a routine feels helpful.
Good morning to the security desk.
Good morning. Have a nice day.
The lobby feels quiet today.
Yes, not many people yet.
I like coming early like this.
Me too. It feels peaceful.
The building looks bright this morning.
Yes, natural light feels good.
Do you start your work right away?
Yes, after a short moment.
Taking a moment helps the mind.
Yes, it prepares me to focus.
I should head inside now.
Yes, I'll go this way.
It was nice walking and talking today.
Yes, I enjoyed it too.
Have a great day ahead.
Thank you. You too.
See you later.
Yes, see you soon.